Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to share a case study we've got in the workshop today. Okay, this particular vehicle, a Hyundai Santa Fe, is 2015 model, 2.2 litre engine. It's not engine related, 120,000 k's on the clock. Customer complaint, battery going flat quite regularly, and the tailgate behaving in weird ways, in other words opening and closing by its own accord at different random times. So once we had a look at the vehicle, the battery was a bit old, was a bit down, so we've recommended a new battery. Once we've done that, cleared all the fault codes. There were a lot of low voltage codes in the car, so just be relative of that, if you've done any fault codes, if you've got a poor battery in a vehicle, it's imperative that we're checking every battery on every car. But it still had a problem with the tailgate, and in the end, after looking at live data, we could see the tailgate would open, but the switch here was activating. Basically, the touch pad switch under the lid here was basically faulty, and every now and again it was enough contact for it to switch the module, thinking that someone wanted to open the tailgate, and hence it would come up. So these switches are fairly readily available. Located under here, there's a couple of screws there that actually just screw it in, so it's nice and easy to fit. But those particular ones have becoming a bit of a problematic one. So if your customer's got an intermittent complaint about either battery going flat and or tailgate opening and closing on its own accord, have a look at that particular switch. It's a common problem. Not just in this model, but I've struck it in a few other makes and models too, where that switch becomes degraded over time and becomes too sensitive. So again, if you're a TAP member, this is one of our repair solutions in our system. If you're not a TAP member and you'd like to access that sort of information, go to tap.net.au and join up on the click on the Join Up Now button. See you next time.